Foundationers, I extend a warm welcome to our director, Ms. Avinash Kaur, and our esteemed guest for today, Colonel and Mrs. Harvinder Chima. Is Mrs. Harvinder Chima, a graceful, dedicated, and dynamic mentor. An ex-army officer's wife, she has served the nation with pride and dignity. A compassionate and inspiring teacher of Sahaj Yoga meditation, she has been actively and passionately conducting programs across renowned universities and leading corporates across India. Today, she has kindly consented to spend time with the foundation year students. Grandparents, as they say, are the treasure house of values, stories, and their presence enriches our children's learning. We are delighted and honored to have with you, dear ma'am, and we look forward to the story that we'll share with our children today. I request the director, Ms. Avinash, to please felicitate Colonel and Mrs. Harvinder Chima. Ma'am, please do the honors. Thank you, Mrs. Harvinder, for being here today. Now, the mic is over to Kamal ma'am. We will have the assembly and then the story session after this.
Good morning everyone. Today, Class 2D feels honored to present this special assembly dedicated to the most precious members of our family, our grandparents. Grandparents are truly the roots of our family tree. They are our storytellers, teachers, and our best friends, who will fill our children with warmth and joy in life. Through today's assembly, our little ones wish to express their love and gratitude towards their grandparents.
In Grandma's arms, a love so sweet, her whispers of stories, a gentle heartbeat. Grandpa's laughter, a melody of old, his wisdom, a treasure more precious than gold. Everyone, on behalf of Class 2D, I am so thrilled to welcome our respected Principal Ma'am and Richmond Head Sudeshna Ma'am, our Coordinator Manveen Ma'am, all educators and my fellow students to our assembly on Grandparents' Day. Grandparents are angels with silver in their hair and gold in their hearts. Today, I pray may these amazing grandparents to spread their angel wings of care and support around their grandchildren and create a generation of caring, loving, compassionate young people who will carry on the legacy of wonderful traditions to future generations. As we know, no morning can start without the blessing of Almighty Creator of whole world. So let's join our hands and remember God with a prayer song.
There shall be showers of blessing, when floods will bloom in one fall. Now let's move forward confessing, now that's on Jesus we fall.